The Ramayana offers many stories about the glories of Shiva. His destruction of Daksha's sacrifice, his marriage with Parvati, his drinking the ocean of poison, his killing the demon Andaka, his cursing of Kandarpa, the god of love. But ultimately, the Ramayana makes the supremacy of Ram quite clear. Ram is an incarnation of Vishnu. He is supreme. Prabhupada makes the point very clear in 3.9.16 Bhagavatam. Of the three principal agents controlling the three modes of nature, Vishnu is the Almighty. Even though he is situated within material nature for the purpose of maintenance, he is not controlled by the laws of material nature. The other two agents, Brahma and Shiva, although almost as greatly powerful as Vishnu, are within the control of the material energy of the Supreme Lord. Shiva is superior to Brahma, who is an empowered soul, Jiva Tattva. But Shiva, being Shiva Tattva, is not quite on the same level as Vishnu. It is therefore said that Shiva is a unique living being who merits his own category known as Shiva Tattva. Rama Samhita compares Shiva and Krishna like milk and yogurt. When you add acids or a lemon juice or something to milk, then it turns into yogurt or cheese. So yogurt is neither the same as nor different from milk. So Shiva is a transformation for the performance of the work of destruction. Milk and yogurt are essentially non-different. Yogurt is a product of milk. One can use milk to make ghee, cheese, ice cream, or yogurt, but one cannot turn yogurt into milk. Clearly then, Shiva's divinity is intimately connected with, even dependent upon, his relationship to Vishnu. Yeah, Mohini Murti. Yeah, Brigu testing who's the supreme God. Many pastimes. That's in the Bhagavad Puran. But in the Shiva Puran there are so many pastimes that show that Shiva is supreme. You have to remember that also. A Shiva Puran is for tamasic jivas, addicted to tamasic thinking and lifestyles. But the Bhagavad Puran is Sattvic Puran, for those more highly developed conscious jivas with a more pure outlook and more clear understanding of Bhagavad Tattva. Sanatana Goswami says that anyone who puts Vishnu on the same level with Shiva and Brahma becomes an atheist. We should never consider Vishnu to be on equal footing with the demigods. Theologically, Shiva is both God and different from God as well. Because it was Shiva's intimate contact with the quality of ignorance and with matter, the living entities in this world cannot receive the same spiritual restoration by worshipping him as by worshipping Vishnu.